it's loud up there, I can imagine here. What makes it so loud, I wonder?
There's a lot of powder in it.
In that little thing, okay.
This means I'm recording, right?
Yep.
It wasn't a big
That was nice.
That's only a half a pound.
Can you imagine what
Half
that
a
5
pound.
pounder's gonna do?
of
Did you get a hold
Tannerite
of your neighbors?
on the beaver
No, I
dam.
didn't get a hold of them. I thought I'd call them last night, but their numbers aren't from
How are they permitted to sell that stuff?
I don't know.
Yeah, you can't buy TNT.
Yeah.
You
You
can't
go
buy
to the
cats.
boot box and the boot box sells it.
Was
That
the
was-
beaver in there? I don't see one.
That was pretty loud.